Shri Krishnaya Praptaya Namaha. Om Shri Krishnaya Praptaya Namaha. Oh, when will I attain Krishna? When will I attain Krishna? Because when you're doing tapasya and you're doing meditation, you have a goal, you want a gati, then there's mantra, there's asana and mantra and pranayama and paramgati, there's mantra and mantra devata, there's a destination, culmination, a final point you want to go to. So she wants to attain Krishna. Prapti means may I acquire, may I attain Krishna. So she's chanting on and on and on. 5,000 years already passed. She's still there. So by speaking this verse, the Braja Gopis justify their behavior and their desire to be accepted at Krishna's feet by citing the role model of the ideal chaste lady and perfect wife, Shri, who left her husband for Krishna. And by this, the Braja Gopis established the superiority of Krishna over Lord Narayan. Although Narayan and Krishna are one in tattva, they're both God and Bhagavan, they can create and destroy and maintain and all these things. But in Ras, there's much difference.